I tried van life for the first time in California with Cabana Vans, and if you want to try one too, you should definitely look into renting one because it was everything I expected, and it better be because I actually bought a van, and this was the perfect way to see what I want to do with mine. How we handle our fears will determine where we go with the rest of our lives. I'm Sarah, an adventure and luxury travel blogger from Orlando. When I'm not exploring my home state of Florida, I'm traveling around the world and the US, trying to find adventure in everyday life, facing my fears and finding unique adventures and experiences to share and inspire. Be brave with me and face our fears together, and subscribe. Let's go check into our Cabana van. So it says first we go in the app. They have a Cabana app that you set everything up, and it even unlocks the car. Unlock the van. Oh, so far so good. We got into the vehicle. And then, where's the key? Alright, we'll figure this out. It must be easy. Now what?
2 moments later.
And out. And now we have the key, yay! And now we're gonna start our journey, pack up, but we can do a room tour first. Okay guys, I'm gonna take you on a quick little tour of our Cabana van, and we're gonna have it for 3 nights, so this is gonna be home. So excited to try out van life for real. I have a van, but I haven't built it yet. So this will give me some ideas. We have a nice bench, and everything pulls out and goes in, so it's super functional, and we can put it away when we drive. Yeah, so this is a area that you can sit, and there's a desk, a table, a lagoon table mount, so you can put that here to be able to do some work, eat, or relax with a view. We have the bed. I'm trying to see the lights, but yeah, we have a bed and a TV, which is nice. It's actually a pretty soft bed too, so I'm excited that we have a TV. We can watch some movies and everything is good. We have heating, there's electricity, everything is fully functional. This is a hotel on the road. You don't have to worry about anything. There is a water pump, there's a water, there's a shower and a toilet. Everything is very compact because it is you know, van. But like, we have an amazing amount of room, and for my height this is amazing. I'm 5'11", so for me to be able to stand in here so freely is really like amazing. We have closet space for our baggage, and yeah, it's really actually very amazing. You don't have to worry about anything with Cabana Vans. And we have these as well to put up when we're sleeping to cover the windows so nobody can see inside. But yes, so far so good, Cabana. Let's get hitting the road. There's deer here. Sarah? I feel super excited to be back in a van, and I'm on the West Coast to get a little taste of what van life would be on the West Coast. We're driving through the Hollywood Hills right now to get to the Alabama Hills. The drive from West Hollywood to the Alabama Hills takes 3 hours, but passes Red Rock Canyon State Park, which is beautiful and actually has been used in many films. Cabana Vans actually has a concierge service that allows you to be able to find some amazing places to stop along the way for your road trip, depending on what you want to see.
Don't know what I'm bringing in closer. Yeah, I'm looking ahead, looking out for someone like you. Maybe someday when I've grown older, I can see it all.
Racing time to make it to the market before it closed was definitely something we didn't account for, but we made it. At the Lone Pine Market right before it closed to get some stuff for the van and for camping. But yes, just checking out what they have to offer. Sandwiches, water, and more. Okay, we arrived at Alabama Hills. It's 9:37 and we got food at the Lone Pine Country Mart, and now we're heading to find a BLM land spot, Bureau of Land Management land where you can park for free for the night, and I found this spot. It might actually be the same spot Rose has been to before, but it was on iOverlander, an app that you can download to find cool spots to camp at night. But yes, super excited to see what this looks like in the morning. It's gonna be a surprise, but yes, for now, we're gonna find our spot and then, yeah, camp and cook and eat and go to sleep. Sign. Pro tip, probably should have arrived during daylight to find a spot. We finally arrived to Alabama Hills, and now we are just about to get ready for bed and maybe make a sandwich or something. Okay, so yeah, this is
fine, I'll have a sandwich.
Look at, oh, this is some directions.
Oh, sweet. That could have been helpful.
So there's 200 AH batteries, 320 watts of solar, and shore power as well. So if you wanted to hook up at a camp place, there's 45 gallons of water. So for like a 3-night, 4-day trip, that definitely should be enough for us to shower and drink and cook. And then, yeah, there's gray and black water, but that's disgusting. And then there's a shower. They make this so it's like a hotel. So there's a shower, bed, TV, cellular Wi-Fi, toiletries, coffee, drawer, fridge, kitchen add-on. We got the kitchen, clamshell chair. Oh, the swivel seat. That chair, Rose, that can turn around. So we have another seat with the table.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
Woo! We're at the Alabama Hills, and it's so beautiful. We got here late last night at 9:30 and then parked one place that looks super cool, but these guys like were flashing lights at us to kind of like say this is my spot. So we just came over here, and it's pretty busy for a Monday. So definitely if you come, try to come early, because then you'll be able to have the pick of your spots, probably more than that, but it's still beautiful wherever you park. Like, look at this. The appeal of van life is the ability to wake up anywhere. Where would you wake up if you had the chance to take a Cabana van? Let me know in the comments. So trying to find the Alabama Eye, or the Eye of the Alabama Hills, and we just came up here, but we're a little past it, but the views are just priceless. Look at this. And our van is all the way there. It looks like an ant. If you're enjoying this, please hit subscribe and the notification bell so you can see the series as it unfolds, and stick around to the end for a special surprise. Lone Pine is the only town nearby where you can get supplies. The main road you drive in on is Movie Road, named after all the movies that are filmed here, from Tremors and Gladiator to Iron Man and Django Unchained. You're definitely going to recognize some of these famous rocks. We just got done hiking to the Eye of Alabama and tried to get some cool drone shots, and now we're gonna head to Mobius Arch in the trail loop within here. Honestly, I don't know how this is not a national park. There's literally so much beauty here. There's Arches, like Arches National Park here. There's just so much to do, slash this is the perfect temperature to chill and camp. Just talked to some other people that originally started in Death Valley, and they said it was wicked hot. It was 100 degrees. So they came here, and this is BLM land, so you don't need a reservation, anything. We're able to wake up to this. Now we're just going to check out that trail loop, drive around, and then head to Death Valley, probably in the deadliest part of the day, but why not have some adventure and see what the true heat of Death Valley. Woohoo! Look at it. We're just starting the Arch Loop Trail, and we're just going to check out the Mobius Arch, and there's a few others. And then after this, probably head to Death Valley. But this is so cute. Look at the neat little stairs. So, while this mountain actually looks taller because we're super close to it, Mount Whitney, which is the tallest mountain in the contiguous US, right? Is right over there with all the snow probably. We're on the Arch Loop Trail and we're heading to the Mobius Arch. I know there's some other ones, but right now we have no signal, and I did the cardinal mistake of not downloading all trails maps before coming, so we've been kind of going out. I did download Google Maps, but it just doesn't have a lot of the trails on it. For now, just exploring and just seeing where it is takes us. Just about to leave Alabama Hills, heading to Death Valley next. So excited to get another national park off of the bucket list. Now, the roads here are pretty interesting. They're like kind of gravelly, but so you don't have to worry that much when you're driving here. We drove in at night and it wasn't so bad. But now heading for about an hour and a half away, 66 miles to Death Valley. We probably will experience a lot of different extremes. From seeing the highest point of the US, Mount Whitney, to going to the lowest part in Badwater, Bass, and Salt Flats. Definitely an interesting climate and place, an area in the US that I think is obviously one of a kind and you won't find anywhere else in the world. So let's get heading to Death Valley. I had never really heard about Alabama Hills, but now I'm in love. And Lone Pine was such a gem. But now it's time to put the Cabana Vans to the test, heading to Death Valley National Park, a 2.5-hour drive away. Like I said, I had a surprise. Use code SarahFaye50 for $50 off your reservation with Cabana Vans until August 31st, 2021. And please smash the like button, comment if you have any questions about Cabana Vans, and hit subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss next week.